How to enable Google Assistant on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Google Assistant on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google app on your phone and now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings. And now here in the settings, just tap on the search bar and simply type in Google Assistant and simply tap on Google Assistant from the search result. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and there you simply have to tap on Assistant voice and sound. So here simply tap on it and now here make sure to customize it to read or audience as per your need. And with that, simply tap on the voice match. Now here in this section, there you can see Hey Google option. So simply toggle on that option and follow the setup prompts to train your voice if asked. And with that, just say OK Google or Hey Google, and your assistant will start listening. And that's it. That's how you can enable Google Assistant on your Android device. With this, if you